In number 4, we have sine in our problem. So whenever we're doing antiderivatives with trig functions, if you have a trig function in there, we need to get it to look like one of those 6 antiderivatives that we should know. Antiderivative of sine of x, we know, or antiderivative of sine of u, we know, but when there's something other than just x in here, other than just one variable, we have to do u substitution. So here, the 6x to the 4th is inside of the sine. Right, we're taking the sine of that. So that's going to be our u, 6x to the 4th. du, then, is the derivative of that, 24x cubed times dx. So we know that the 6x to the 4th is going to become our u. We need to make sure everything's in place for the du. So we've got the x cubed and the dx, but we have a 5 in there. We want a 24. So again, although it's kind of in a different order, this is just this whole thing times this multiplication. The 5 is being multiplied with everything. Since it's just being multiplied by the function, we can pull that out. We need to multiply the inside by 24 so that we get all the parts that we need for the du. And then we have to multiply the outside by 1 over 24 to keep things balanced. Because multiplying by 1 over 24 times 24 is really just multiplying by 1. So we're changing what it looks like, not what it equals. So now we have 5 over 24 outside the integral times the antiderivative of sine of u du. Now that we can manage. We can take the antiderivative of sine. The antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, because the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So we get negative 5 over 24 cosine of u plus c, but we want our final answer to be in terms of x, so we're going to put 6x to the 4th back in for u. So negative 5 over 24 times cosine of 6x to the 4th plus c.